So I bought this boost gauge from AliExpress, and as you can see, the needle is not at 0. I'm not sure if it shows the correct value, so I'm going to test it now. You can see as well I use this battery to provide backlighting, and then I show you how I'm going to test it. So now you can see as well. I'm gonna use this pressure regulator, and let's see the needle show the correct value. So I'm gonna set the pressure regulator to 20 psi. So this is 20 psi in the pressure regulator and 20 psi in the boost gauge. So I think this gonna show you the correct value in the car too. So first I need to find the vacuum line. Uh, I have under I have one under in the intake manifold. This is an unused one because my fuel pump is for the natural aspirated engine, not for the turbo engine. So I'm gonna use this for the hose. I'm use this vacuum line, but I don't know where can this hose go in to the car, because I don't see any place where I can go to in the car. So now I need to find a place. So I couldn't find any place to route the hose, so I decided to drill a hole for it. Somewhere here I'm drill a hole because I want to install the boost gauge somewhere here. So I'm gonna drill a hole. So I drill a hole, and now I'm push this out, and I hope it's gonna be easier to route the hose. This is where I drill a hole, and now I somehow route the hose back in the car. So I think I'm in, but let's find out. I'm in. Now I just pull a little bit more and done. So the hose is in the car. I want to install the gauge somewhere here because there is a 12 volt, but first I think I'm get out the radio and find the 12 volt wire, because for the backlight we need some power. But if you don't want to backlight, just attach the hose and that's it. This wires just for the backlight. And after I'm find the power. I need to find out how I fixing here. So, oh my god. Uh, I'm gonna show you this. Explain why people do things like this. If someone doesn't know what they doing, they shouldn't mess with things like this. So what a mess. So I find that the cigarette lighter connector. I'm use this off. There is no power on it, but there is 12 volt. So I'm gonna use this. I think this is the positive side, and I hope you can see if I'm turn on the ignition, there is no light. So that's it. So now I put in this case. Okay. So I cut somewhere here, I think. I hope it's gonna be work. There is a problem if I cut too short, but I think it's gonna be okay. Okay, I think it's good.